Bok Mario, what are you doing?
Dok Silvija, evo, pokušavam skuhat kavu, sad i
Kavu?
pečem. Da, kavu malo za energiju, hoćeš ti jednu?
A gdje ti živiš, Mario?
U Hrvatskoj gdje bi živio?
Ma, you living in the past. Kava to je prošlost. To je budućnost.
Šta?
A, i znaš što još je budućnost?
Ne.
Za 2 minute treninga. Mario, ajmo! 2 minute!
Evo, šta sad? Tu unutra ide, ne kužim šta sad je tu.
3, 2, 1, može. Ok. Lock your arms. Tako je. And breathe. Engage your core. Let me to eye check. Ok, everything is correctly. 10 second go. Tako. If it's this too easy or too boring, you can add shoulder tap. Probaj.
It's boring.
Tako je. I još 5. Tako je.
Može.
I 3, 2, 1 and relax. You have just 15 second break, ok? Remember, druga vježba, 90 stupnjova.
Taman je da dođem do tu.
Tako je. 8 second.
Ako mi se bude povraćalo, onda...
Dobro, to posle. Budemo vidjeti. 3, 2, 1, ideš. Ok, fit malo napred, tako je. I go dole, još malo. Tako je, leđa do kraja. Tako je, open. Znam, sklizaš se malo. You can always correct position if you feel your technique. I 3, 2, 1 and relax. Very good work. Ok, let's go. You remember shoulder, high pull. I slowly nazad. Time under tension. 5 second, be ready. Tako je. I 3, 2, tako je. 1, let's go. Elbow higher than your shoulder, slowest nazad. Tako je. Breathe. Polako nazad, tako je. This two-way workout interval not mean to you must work out very fast. Sometimes it's very good to go slowest. No too fast. When we'll be work out fast, I will be told you. Now, time under tension. I 3, 2, 1 and relax. Tako je. Dobro, odmor. Now again for shoulder, deep muscle in your shoulder in front of you and rotation.
In front of you and me.
Yes.
Ovo.
5 second.
Može?
Tak. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hop. Da, but try to have all the time very close to your body. Dobro, you can also mixing tempo, sometimes slowest, a sometimes small pulls very fast. And try to open your chest every single rep. So you feel here, this. Tako je.
Peče!
Dobro, i još 5. Let's go, Mario. I 3, 2, 1 and relax.
Ovo je baš vježba za svećenike, znaš kaj?
Jebi ga, ne znam.
Dobro, oprosti. Ništa, znam.
No.
A nema veze.
Idemo, Mario. Loža. Lead down, let's go. Dobro. Ali brzo.
Sorry.
You working on the time.
Da.
Šta radiš?
Okej.
Odmor bude posle. Tako je. I sad. Maksimalno. Into you. Roll. Tako je. I slowly. Tako je. Here also, slowly movement is key. Tako je. I slowly nazad. Tako je. Imaš još 5 second, Mario. Zadnje. Polako. I 3, 2, 1 i break. Ok, Mario. You have just 15 second break and we go into second round. Ok? You're just 8. Dobro. Ok, Mario, you are ready, understand? Ok, probaj. Prva vježba klasične trbušnjaki.
Dobro.
For repetition, aktivni, ne, tako je. I ramena za glave i među nogi. 3, 2, 1 radiš. 30 second. Breathe, tako je. First exercise is easiest. Tako je, 10 second go. Remember to you have transition bez odmora, ok?
Da.
Deva, 1 plank position, ok, i transition.
Plank.
Odmah, tako je. Body one line, remember what I told you?
Čekaj.
Tako je, idemo. Tako je, ali guza malo dole. Tako je. Stisni guzu. Još malo. Dobro. 15 seconds, survive. Tako je, this is correctly position for plank. 3, 2, 1 sitting position. Tako je, odmah. leđa straight, malo napred, ramena napred, nogi, kvadriceps stisnjenti, ideš. Hop, small movement, tako je. Fingers up.
Ne!
Up and down, let's go! Hop, tako je. Tako je. 15 sekund do kraja. 15, tako je. Tako je. 10, breathe. I 3, 2, 1, tako je. Good work. I odmor.
Peče.
Još toliko 2 runde.
Još 2.
If you are lack of energy, this product, Amino Energy, it's really great for you, including caffeine, what can help improve your energy and focus, especially when you would like to start workout. Also including amino acid, what can help you protect your muscle during training. You can work out harder and longer and also burn more calories. Generally, the best timing for using these supplements is before training, but also you can use this product in no time when you feel your energy goes down. More information about this product you can find in the description of this video.